Hello everybody. Apologies for the radio silence for the past few weeks, but I and my household have been battling COVID and are just finally coming out of it. Only now has my voice really reached a point where I don't sound like a broken scratch record, and despite the virus, I've been outfitted with some very new awesome equipment for the upcoming year, including a new microphone and some excellent art tools. But with that all out of the way, I wanted to say thank all of you guys so much for an excellent first year on this channel. I originally started Legendlore as a way to both research and learn more about this game that we all love, while also expanding my art skills, streamlining my workflow, and being able to do full pieces on a regular basis. I also wanted to provide art to a couple of things that unfortunately didn't have art, despite their really cool descriptions and usefulness for the game. Since then, this channel has grown immensely, and while 700 plus subscribers isn't really big in terms of other YouTube channels, it's big to me, and that's what matters. And I've personally been looking for ways to expand and build further into the coming year. While I sadly can't afford to do this full time at the current moment, it is something that I am very keen to continue dedicating my time towards. I've gotten a ton of messages from both players and dungeon masters on how my videos have made their job much easier in terms of understanding the motivations of monsters, planning encounters, learning about the game, and engaging in both roleplay and world building. And I really hope that this series can continue to help make this game as accessible as possible for everyone. For now, we've done a great job of covering gods, monsters, and classic characters from the game, but with luck, I may be able to expand out to cover classic magic items, optional rules, more classes and subclasses, and perhaps even full adventures in the future. And perhaps I'll even be able to actually delve into the inner workings of my own homebrew world. Beyond that, I may even expand beyond Dungeons & Dragons to other games and media if the interest is there. But for now, I am very comfortable exploring this immense world that Wizards of the Coast, Ed Greenwood, and a bunch of other excellent developers and hardworking creatives have built for us. And as always, I will do my best to try and keep a consistent schedule of weekly videos on Sundays, and please let me know what direction you guys would like to see this channel take. I will be keeping the voting system on here on YouTube, but I may be expanding to other avenues as well, so be on the lookout for that. But until then, have an excellent new year, happy gaming, and I'll see you guys next time.